Ready to design your own house logo? Start in Adobe Illustrator by making a new document and naming it. Use the rectangle tool, a square icon to draw the base. Decide on your house's proportions with the selection tool. Pick a warm, welcoming color, perhaps a brown or beige, for the house's walls. Now, the roof. Use the pen tool, a pen nib icon. Click above the rectangle's center point, then on either side. Shaping the roof, adjust any wonky lines by using the pen tool again and clicking on the off points. Dragging, fill the roof with the same color. Let's add details. Use the rectangle tool for the door. Draw a smaller rectangle within the house and choose a slightly darker version of the house color. Next, use the rectangle tool for a window. Choose a contrasting, lighter shade for the window to highlight it. Your logo is nearing the finish line. Grab the type tool, the T icon, click and write your company's name, website, or a catchy slogan. Use a readable font, like Arial or Open Sans. Adjust size and color to go with the design, ensuring easy reading and situated in a good-looking spot. Congratulations! You've crafted a perfect house logo. Save it and put it to use on your brand.